is a chicken salad, and remember, guys, to all those connecting, this is a cooking segment that you can have.
Segment, yep,
that you can cook without power in case you're like experiencing any type of emergency.
Exactly. So what we have right now, mayonnaise sriracha. The sriracha, the little bit amount in there is going to add more so flavor than the actual spice. To that, I'm adding some very finely minced celery. Then what you want to do then is just kind of mix that all up, get that nice and incorporated.
So it's mayo, sriracha, that's like a hot sauce, right?
Yeah, it's a hot sauce, but I put a little bit amount in there just more so for flavor. If you like really spicy, like me, feel free to put more sriracha in there. All right?
And then celery, awesome.
Yep, and that you add just some canned chicken breast. It's really good, keeps well in a can. So you pull it out, you know, again, no cook, everything right done here in the bowl. Then to that, you add a little bit of salt.
Perfect.
A little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. And I love dishes with different flavor profiles. So with this, you have sweet, you have salty, you have savory. I'm gonna add the sweet right now. A little bit of golden raisins in there. So you go ahead, you add the raisins in there. I like that nice little pop of sweetness.
That looks really good.
That goes very well with the savoriness of the chicken, the slight spicy note from the sriracha, and you go ahead and mix that together. So from there, you take some bread.
Or some crackers
that white bread here, crackers, exactly, whatever. And then you go ahead, you just put some on there.
Perfect.
All right, so you pile that high on there, boom. Top on there.
Yay.
And you just slice it right down the middle. All right.
I hope we have a napkin.
So I'm gonna have you try that out. Bon appetit. Let me know what you think. You are the taste tester. Thumbs up, right?
Wow, it's really good.
You get that slight spiciness from the sriracha, that pop from the golden raisin, that sweetness.
And I haven't eaten anything, so this is perfect.
A little bit of herbaceous crunch from that celery, and it is definitely a thumbs up.